What's up guys, new day today. So now we're in the lift, we're actually going down. Same as last week, we are going to tuition. Probably the next cut of this video will probably be after tuition. I probably can't film during the class itself.
Ta-da, 2 seconds. I brought you string also, so you can hang your app.
It's a work in progress danger sign. And then they took a picture of me and printed it out here. You can see behind, we are at Little India Station and we are making our way on to Sim Lim Square. You get a new hard disk, maybe some RAM, maybe a new pouch. We are now at Sim Lim Square. Ta-da! Mainly be getting our hard disk and then maybe we might be getting some RAM as well. So the shopkeeper's not here yet, he went down for a while, so we'll be going over to Orient Photo to see some camera pouches and stuff first before we come back here. Look at all the destroyed iPhones. And destroyed iPads too. Look at all the parts.
Sari means fly. Toro means dirty.
A trishaws.
Because E is so easy.
Let me bring you up. Look at the haze.
6, 8, 5, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Look at the haze. Ooh, spot me. So what we went to Sim Lim Square to get was these. Firstly, at the last part, I picked up two power cables. These are very useful. Just little computer power cables to power stuff. We also had the Corsair Veteran 16-bit kit. This is just to increase the amount of RAM in the computer. And Western Digital 3TB green. Just realized that the gap here, there's like rubbish. Look at that. All the sweet wrappers and everything. Just woke up after a very long sleep. Look at my mom cook.